In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find previously created assets or media in OpenArt. If you've generated images, videos, or other creative files in OpenArt and you're not sure where they were saved, this quick guide will help you locate them in just a few clicks. This is especially useful when you want to reuse an older design, download a previous generation, compare past results, or continue working on something you created earlier. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple OpenArt tips and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open OpenArt and make sure you're signed in to the account where you created your previous content. Once you arrive on the OpenArt homepage, look at the navigation sidebar on the left side of the screen. This sidebar contains the main areas of your OpenArt workspace. To find your previously created files, locate the option called Assets in the sidebar. Click on Assets to open the Asset Management section. This is where OpenArt organizes content that you have generated or saved while using the platform. After selecting Assets, look for the Media section. Click on Media to open your collection of generated content. You should now see the assets and media you previously created in OpenArt. Depending on what you have generated, this area may include images, videos, and other supported media files. You can browse through the available items to find the specific asset you're looking for. If you have created a lot of content, take your time reviewing the thumbnails and files so you can identify the correct generation. From here, you can usually open an asset, preview it, and use the available options to continue editing, download it, or use it in another OpenArt project. Remember that you need to be logged in to the correct OpenArt account. If your previous assets are not appearing, double-check the account you're using and make sure it's the same account that originally created the media. Also, give the page a moment to load if you have a large collection of generated files or a slower internet connection. So, to quickly recap, open OpenArt, go to the homepage, use the sidebar to select Assets, and then click Media. Your previously generated assets should be available there for you to view and access. And that's how to find previously created assets or media in OpenArt. If this guide helped you locate your files, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more OpenArt tutorials, AI tool guides, and easy software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.